Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PC to your phone's hotspot. First, let's look at the most common method, Wi-Fi. You'll need to enable the mobile hotspot feature on your phone, usually found in your settings. Then note down the network name and password. On your computer, simply search for available Wi-Fi networks, select your phone's hotspot, and enter the password to establish a connection. It's a straightforward process for quick internet access. Next, we'll explore USB tethering, a fantastic option for a more stable and often faster connection. Begin by connecting your phone to your PC using a standard USB cable. Once connected, navigate to your phone's network settings and enable the USB tethering option. Your computer should then automatically detect this new wired network connection. This one-to-one link is excellent for tasks requiring consistent bandwidth, like large downloads or online gaming. Now let's consider Bluetooth tethering, a convenient wireless alternative for lighter data usage. First, ensure both your phone and PC have Bluetooth enabled and are paired with each other. Then on your phone, activate Bluetooth tethering within your network settings. Finally, on your computer, connect to your phone's network through the Bluetooth settings. This method is perfect for quick tasks or when a USB cable isn't handy, offering a simple, short-range connection. Finally, let's cover some common troubleshooting tips to ensure a smooth experience. Always confirm your phone's mobile data is active and you have sufficient data allowance. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your phone and PC. Also, check for any necessary driver updates on your computer, especially for your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth adapters. Sometimes, temporarily disabling a VPN or firewall can also resolve connection problems, getting you back online quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.